can the intention of fasting be made on the first day of the whole month of Ramadan, or is it necessary to make an intention every day? Yes, the intention of fasting can be made on the first night of Ramadan, not the first day. The intention will be made the night before. So the first day is incorrect, the first night. Yes, you can make intention on the first night of the Ramadan to keep fasting for all the days of Ramadan, it's valid. Or you can make every night, or some nights, if you make first night, it's the best, so that you don't have to make it every time, make the intention. And after that also, if you make every night before the day starts, but making intention is a fard for the Ramadan fast.